crossing into our easy pose. Still moving, doing circles here, letting ourselves feel into our bodies, feel into the sounds around us, free of any thought. We just move, we play in our own being, we play in the space, all that we offer to ourselves. We come to that now and embrace completely all the light in us, all the light. There's so much. Let our hearts sing. Let our hearts sing. Be open. Arms stretch open. Let them come to the sun. All of the light that's here. We are the light. I'm still circling around and around our heart, and then going the other direction. And these cycles we move through, they're here to show us our hearts, to come back to life, leading ourselves in our passions, leading us with our hearts. Slow it down and come back to stillness, come back to center, sit tall. And let your left hand rest at your heart, lead it to the sky. Right hand meets the earth, lean towards the right side. Inhale the left arm up and over, right hand follows. Come back. Come back to meeting yourself, letting yourself be in the space. Let yourself fill the openness with your presence. Say hello to yourself. Right hand meets the earth. Left hand rests at the right knee. Right hand to heart. Sweep that right hand open, and you can let it stay in the air or rest on the earth. Gaze at what's at your side. Acknowledge those who stand beside you, those who support you on your journey. They are with you, even at a distance. Know their presence is with you always. And come back to center. Right hand to left knee, left hand to heart. Reach open. Let your hand stay in the sky. And then plant your hand on the earth, rooting yourself here. What's here for you? What do you want to focus on? What's the light in which you see? You get to choose. Come forward, come back to center. Hands come to your shoulders and circle back. And then circle forward. You can go as slow or as fast as is comfortable for you. Always honoring what your body needs and where you are. Where you are may look different than even a moment ago. Forget yesterday. Forget the hour that passed. And just be in this moment. And let yourself open to space. Let your heart shine forward. And stay here, arms opening. Let your hands rest upon the earth. And let your head rest towards the right shoulder. Circle around to your heart. And meet the left shoulder. Continue at your own pace. Pausing at your heart center. And then leading towards the right. Move at your own rhythm and what's natural for you. Our bodies speak. Are we willing to listen? Release anything of the mind that you may still be carrying. Let it go. And let it roll off your shoulder. Let it go. Let it roll off your shoulder. And just rest. Rest in your own support. It's okay to rest and lay it down. It's okay not to carry it anymore. Whatever it is, let it go. Let it roll off your shoulder so you can rest in yourself, rest in your own support, and the truth of what you carry is only heart. And release those thoughts. Come to know again your heart. If you need to speak it, release it through your voice and let it go. And come back to your heart and then rest at the other side. If there's anything you're holding, let it go. Let it roll off your shoulder. I release you to the world. I return you to the land. I come to know myself again in truth. And it's not what I've been carrying. It's not the stories that I've been told or the experiences. The experiences of erasure, of silence, the stories of needing to be strong. I let it all go so I can meet myself, and so I can be me. I meet myself in freedom at my heart and come to sit tall in the stillness of my knowing. I hold these stories no more and meet myself now. I meet myself with love, my own love, and I accept your protection. I accept the protection of your stories, but I let them go now. They do not serve me, so I let them go. And I come back. I come back to stand in my own voice. I come to sit in my own presence with a fullness and knowing that I deserve all that I want. I deserve to be me. I deserve to just listen and hear what I need. And it's okay. It's okay. Thank you for all that you've given me. I acknowledge you completely, and I acknowledge myself now, moving forward, onward in my path, in my own recognition of self, in love with all of me. And when you're ready, let's come to stand.